Hello business owner, are you struggling with getting the attention of prospective users in today's competitive digital marketplace? Are you constantly pouring money into ads funnel with little to no returns to show for it? Well, worry no more. The solution is here. My name is Dolly and I am an experienced user interface and visual designer. I can help you bring coherence to your brand, optimize your visual identity, and retain users in your platform. I craft subtle and appealing visual interfaces that distinguish your company from a sea of others and guide visitors through set objectives. My background in software development, digital marketing, user experience design, and graphic design gives me a unique experience and contextual knowledge to create an end-to-end strategy that considers both developers and users' experiences and captures the perfect memorable experience for you and your prospects. If you're interested in working with me or have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me on LinkedIn at Dolly or pop me an email right away. I look forward to working with you.